That hawker there, selling mee and kway-teow, is prosperous, round, quick-moving. With practiced grace, he blows his nose, twigs it dexterously, secures complete evacuation, then proceeds to comply with the slogans, the injunctions on the need to.
Keep Singapore clean. Keep Singapore jump free. Keep Singapore, keep Singapore, keep Singapore clean.
By wiping his fingers thoroughly on his apron, he's not going to dirty the drains, clutter the spittoons. He obeys the law, he obeys the law, he obeys the law. Deals with his goal seriously.
Keep Singapore clean.
Keep Singapore clean.
Keep Singapore jump free. Keep Singapore, keep Singapore, keep Singapore clean.
If you sneeze after a meal of mee or kway-teow, it is really the steaming hot soup, the chilies and pepper that discomfort you. By wiping his fingers thoroughly on his apron, he is not going to dirty the drains, clutter the spittoons. He obeys the law, deals with his goal seriously.
Keep Singapore jump free. Keep Singapore, keep Singapore, keep Singapore clean.
If you sneeze after a meal of mee or kway-teow, it is really a steaming hot soup, the chilies and pepper that discomfort you.
Keep Singapore clean.